Alright, so what's up everybody, welcome back to the TechCider channel. Today we are back again at PC Planning Part 11. So today we are going to go over the best computer we can build for $1,000. No more, no less, $1,000. Flat, just like that. The results are pretty amazing. Let's jump in. Alright, so for the CPU I went with the Ryzen 5 5600G. For $101, it's pretty good. It's a very good processor that can handle even the 6900 XT in certain resolutions. For the motherboard, as usual, I went with the ASRock B550 Phantom Gaming 4, $85, 128 gigs max, 4 memory slots. Very good motherboard, yeah. It has an M.2 slot, it has very good compatibility with all kind of drives, RAM, supports up to 4000 MHz I think, or even more. Anyway, it's really good. Alright, so for the RAM I went with the G.Skill Ripjaws V16 gigs, 2x8 of course, 3600 MHz, 16K latency for only $60, which is just amazing. For the hard drive I went with the Seagate Barracuda 4TB, that goes for $68. That's nothing. 4TB, $68. It's a really good deal. It's a steal. And for the SSD I went with the Western Digital Black SN850 because honestly I have this one in my computer. It's amazing. And it's only $65. It will save as a great boot drive. Trust me. For the case I went with the Montech X3 Mesh because it's just beautiful. It supports 6 fans and it has airflow from basically everywhere. It has airflow for the bottom even. It's just a really cool looking and really good airflow case for only $60. I don't see a reason why not to pick it. Alright, so for the power supply I went with the Deepcool DQ750M V2L, 750 watts, 80 plus gold, fully modular, for only $50. This is because they have a promo code going on. Let's see. I have the promo code right here. I will post it in the description as well as more performance metrics than what I post right here. So read the description I guess. And $50. That's just amazing. And finally for the graphics card I went with the ASRock Phantom Gaming DOC RX 6800 non-XT for $510. It is a beast of a graphics card. Just think about it. The graphics card can play more than 4K resolution 60 FPS. I will show you that later. Alright, and after all of that, the total comes to $999.69. Nice! So it's a really cool computer. It can game at a lot of FPS in the highest resolution. So let's move on to the performance metrics. Alright, so according to the PC Builds FPS calculator, the Ryzen 5 5600G combined with the RX 6800 can get 60 FPS at 5K resolution. See? 5K Ultra, 60 FPS. Do you realize how good it is? And if you want to get to low settings, then it's 160 FPS. On medium settings, so it's 116. And high settings, it's 110. So 120 FPS on high settings, 120 Hz, more or less. It's 110, but it's really good. The 10 FPS difference won't matter that much. 5K over 60 FPS for $1,000. The PC market is crazy right now, for real. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, because I did. I really enjoyed it. So I will be dropping more performance metrics on the description as well as the promo code for the power supply. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe.